I am very delighted to present to you the Laguna SM Supermalls Security Forces who stands with dignity, pride, and integrity. Our security forces has always been and will always be in the hot pursuit of their commitment to serve both our internal and external customers as well as its community to serve the best they could. As I was looking around earlier, this is impromptu. Sabi ko, ang dami na nating pinagdaanan. Noong mga nakaraang panahon at taon, nandyan pa si Walter Mart. Nagkaroon na tayo ng COVID at marami pang pagsubok ang dumating sa atin. Alam niyo lahat yon. But our security forces has remained strong, standing strong, and you remain to stay the course of your game. Sa araw-araw na nagagawa ng Diyos, sa guard mounting natin, you know, not every day is a bed of roses, right? I'm sure yung iba sa inyo nabibingin na sa mga pagalit, hindi lang sa officers, kundi sa ating mga customers. Nandyan yung lalaitin ang pagkatao nyo, lalaitin ang inyong posisyon, and I always tell you this, nobody can make you feel inferior without your consent. But I thank you from the bottom of my heart for always keeping your cool, for always being able to maintain maximum tolerance under whatever circumstances it may be. So maraming salamat. Sa lahat-lahat ng inyong hirap, sa lahat ng inyong pagtanggap sa constructive criticisms and feedback, nananatili kayong matatag, and you continue to make us very, very proud. Sa mga dadaan na panahon, marami pa yan, marami pa kayong may encounter. Pero lagi kong bilin sa inyo, you are the very first person that the customers are seeing upon their arrival in the malls. And you are also the last that they will see. So it's very important that you create a very good impression from the beginning until the very end of the customer's shopping experience. So stay the course, remain to be courageous in the midst of all these challenges, and continue to make us very proud. So maraming salamat sa lahat ng inyong hirap, sa lahat ng inyong malasakit, because nobody can do it better without the security forces of South 3 region. Thank you very much.